'Cause it's cold out here all alone, and I know that you could use some saving, so come over.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I've decided to go ahead and show you guys my wash and go routine, well, my current wash and go routine. And I'm just starting with freshly washed hair that was a little bit air dry, so I wanted to add a little bit more water. Next, I'm dividing this into sections to make it a little bit easier to work with. We're just going to go in with a little bit more water because I just felt like my hair wasn't saturated enough. I don't like when my hair is dripping wet when I add product to it. I don't know, I just feel like I get better results when my hair is like the perfect level of wet and dry, if that makes sense. So here I'm starting with the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I'm just smoothing that through my hair. Just taking my time to go through all the little kinks and try to get all those out. And I'm just gonna go through it with my diamond brush just to make sure that everything is smoothed out the way I need it to be. So here I'm just smoothing in some of my DIY super hair growth oil, and I'm gonna leave the ingredients in the description box, but I'm making a separate video on that as well, so you'll get that information in a future video. But after I put in my oil, then I go ahead and I follow up with my olive oil eco styler gel, and I feel like this is the only one so far that I've ever used that doesn't give me that crazy white cast that I have to worry about afterwards, so I really like it. So now I'm just separating my hair onto the next section, and the steps are going to be exactly the same. So we start with the leave-in, and then we go with the Supergirl oil and top it all off with our eco styler gel. Again, I'm just smoothing that eco styler gel through my hair, and as you can see, it actually defines my hair pretty nicely. I keep going back to the other section because I just felt like I wasn't getting the definition I wanted, but that's one of the things I like about this product. It's pretty layerable, and I feel like it doesn't make my hair too crunchy or too heavy when I like put a whole bunch. So divide the top section into two different sections and continue with the same steps. feel like I'm not getting the definition that I'm looking for, or if I don't feel like going back over an entire section, I'll try to go through with smaller sections like this and just put like big globs of gel on my hand and work it through the curls this way. It just really depends on my mood. I usually try to do this especially at the front so that I can really get those nice curls like right at the hairline and right at the front where you can see them the most. And I have a lot of hair. It's really thick, so my hair can really take a lot of product without me having to worry about weighing it down. My biggest issue really is not having enough product, because I feel like when I try to, do the little dime size that they suggest, my hair is just looking at me like, sir. Yes, curls. Push through with this Denman brush. Yes. Since my hair is on the thicker side, I have to be just a little bit more patient when it comes to working the product into my hair. If I try to do this too quickly, or I'm just slapping the product on, it'll kind of just like sit there on the top of my hair and not really do much, and my hair will end up getting frizzy in like under an hour. So alright, we're on to the final section, and just as a reminder, we're just going to do that leave-in, oil, and finish it off with gel. So now I'm just putting my hair where I want it, like parting it so it lays where I like it for it to sit. And then I'm just going to take my brush to kind of just smooth out the edges just a little bit. Like, I didn't put any edge control or anything like that. I just want to give it just a little bit more like sleekness around those areas. And don't mind the little baby yapping in the background. That's my 9-month-old Isri, and you guys will be meeting him in future videos, especially when talking about, my whole motherhood journey. So stay tuned. So now I'm just taking my headscarf and I'm just gonna make a little bandana out of it and put it just right at that part where I brushed, just to kind of keep it nice and slick, and lay down and snatched. I definitely forgot to record the finished product when it's dry, but I did go out that night, so I do have pictures for you guys that I'll include at the end. But yeah, that's pretty much my routine. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any tips, if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment box below. I want to hear from you guys, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and thanks so much.